The Chennai Silks Deepavali latest collection. Let the celebrations begin.
மத்திய அமைச்சர் நிதின் கட்கரி செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து வருகிறார். அந்த நேரலை காட்சிகளை பார்க்கலாம்.
Meeting with the Chief Minister. During my last visit, I requested the government of Tamil Nadu to partner with us in a development of multimodal logistic park in Chennai. Recently, the state government has agreed to provide land near Chennai, that is near Port Trust land, and planning to bid it out before January 2021. And we will going to start the work of this logistic park is very important. And thank you for CM for all this cooperation. The state government has requested for widening to 8 lane of 2 stretches of NH45, that is Gudavacheri to Chettipuniyam, and NH4 Madura Puyal to Sriperambur. The cost of this project shall be rupees 700 crore. I assure state government that this project shall be sanctioned. However, state government should ensure availability of unhindered land. So we have sanctioned it, and assure me that they will clear the problem related to the land acquisition. The state government has also requested to hand over 2 national highway, NH 136 and NH 54H to state PWD. We have no objection. We have already decided, and we are going to transfer them. I will also request Chief Minister to help us implementing our project. The projects are suffering due to delay in land acquisition. He assured me about that. I am very much thankful to him, and 100% we will do it. Regarding this flyover project also, this is important project for the Chennai. We start from the port. Presently we are making 4-lane flyover, but the Chief Minister, Secretary and the state government demanding 3 entry point for that, the special ramp for that. So that is going to create traffic congestion. So present cost of that project is 3,100 crore. So I suggest and giving proposal to Chief Minister that we will design this flyover from the international consultant, good consultants, and we will clear it that there will be double-decker flyover, and in place of 4 lane, we will make it 6 lane. If it is possible, we can make 8 lane, and also double-decker flyover, by which for next 20 years at least, it will resolve the problem for Chennai. So the cost is going to be increased up to 5,000 crore. So I suggest them, because the 50% land acquisition cost is given by the port and 50% is from the state government. Already it is to be agreed. So I request them, so regarding this increase in cost from 3,100 to 5,000 crore, my suggestion is there is a GST on steel and cement for this particular flyover, and there is a royalty for sand and aggregate. So you exempt it for only for this project. That will be a notional loss to the government, and the cost other 400 or 500 crore saving may be there because of that, and other 1,000 crore will be bared by the central government and NHI. So he assured me that I am going to finance minister and discuss me, and after that I will give cooperation for that. The problem is that we want to make this flyover of international standards, and presently if we can make that ramps, it is going to increase the 40,000 PCUs. Then it will be difficult for the traffic from the port to go there. So it's of no use. So we want to at least make it can be beneficial to people from Chennai. At the same time, it can be beneficial for transport of container also, truck transport from port to out of Chennai also. So he assured positively me that with
மத்திய சாலை போக்குவரத்து துறை அமைச்சர் நிதின் கட்கரி அவர்கள் செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்த காட்சிகளை பார்த்தோம்.